Hey everybody, it's Jim King with King Piers. We got our King Piers team out here, Sillers Construction and King Piers working together on this project. This is a golf pit that we're digging. It's going to be a 2-foot wall sitting on a footing, and we're going to pour the wall and the footing monolithic. That means at the same time. This is the rock in here. Most of this rock's going to have to go. Once we get this to grade and the dimensions that we're needing, this rock's going to get out of here, and we're going to spread the remaining 6 inches of this rock over this subgrade. After, we'll probably have this out before we pour the walls. So we'll pour the walls and the footing first, then come in here, spread 6 inches of this rock here over here, throw some petromat over that, and concrete that 6 inches of rock with an additional 6 inches of concrete. And so it'll be really 2 pours of concrete. Walls, footing at the same time, monolithic, and then the floor. It's coming together pretty good. The one thing I'm not going to do, because it's just not engineering sound, is my previous videos. That once we started this, we got Norton Schmidt engineers, structural engineers getting involved, and they wanted us to, in several places, maybe 3 or 4 places here, go down about 49 inches below the footing in about a 4-foot span, tunnel out, exposing the underside of the footing, and then taking a hammer drill and drilling a hole through the footing and partially through this wall. And by doing that, here's what's going to happen. The footing is low strength concrete. I deal with footings every day. The structural engineers at Norton and Schmidt or anywhere else, they don't look at them every day. They don't work with them every day. I do. We do everything gentle to those footings. We don't want to drill holes in them, because what's going to happen is that footing is where you drill that hole is going to become a crack. And that footing is now separated other than 2 runs of rebar. Now moisture is going to hit that crack. It's going to infiltrate and hit that rebar. The rebar is going to rust. The rust is going to make the rebar expand. The concrete footing goes to shit, and so does the wall. So I'm refusing to do it that way. Everything I do is engineering 101. The homeowners are paying me to make this better, not worse. And by doing it that way, drilling holes, it's making it worse for the homeowner in the future. So what I plan on doing is coming in here and just like digging a King Pier 1 hole, we're going to go 49 inches below the footing, tunnel underneath, and once we're underneath, on the outside face of the footing, we will chisel all that out. So when we encase all this in concrete, the footing's here, it'll have concrete on both sides of it. It's a keyway lock. The footing will never move. That's the way I designed this, and that's the way I'm going to build it, regardless what anybody says. So my name's on this. The longevity of this job's on me. I'm doing it the way I want to do it. So stay tuned as we get this thing going. It's kind of a hairy project. We're in a confined area. We have no place. We got a door, 2 doors, 3 doors. We got to go out. Got to go up some stairs through the garage. So it's not the ideal of just getting it done real quick. It's time consuming. So stay with me on this. This is King Piers and Sillers out here in Leawood, Kansas. This ain't Saddlebrook. This is what's up? Hallbrook out here in Leawood. So stay tuned as we get this project going and get further along here. King Piers, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you.